Hey y'all, this is Pitbull D45 and today we're going to review the Dickinson Shotgun. This Dickinson is a marine grade shotgun and it has a collapsible stock. The stock holds 4 shells and the magazine will hold 5 2 3/4 shells and 1 in the chamber for a total of 6 from the factory. One modification that I did was to put a magazine extension for a Benelli shotgun on it. The threads for the extension and the factory cap for the magazine are the same. I did have to trim a lip out that was on the inside of the magazine that kept the follower from passing through. But beware that one time out of 50 I did have an instance where the follower did not spring forward and load the shell onto the feed ramp. With this extension, the shotgun holds a total of 8 shells, 7 in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. Those are 2 3/4 inch shells. I also put a flashlight mount from GG and G Tactical on it, along with a single point sling from Blue Force Gear. This shotgun, along with the magazine extension, cost $240. It is set up for home defense, and I chose the marine grade to help prevent rust. I did have a tendency at first to short stroke it, so I had to be deliberate on when I'm pumping it. Like I said, 50 rounds, it did have 1 failure to feed, and that's the follower didn't come down. I like this gun, especially for $240. I really like this gun. Look for a long-term review later down the road with this gun after I put a few thousand rounds through it. This is Pitbull D45 saying God bless you, God bless America. Help if I'd load it.